Good morning students. Here we are starting exercise 4.1 question 3rd to solve the equation by trial and error method. Trial and error method means that we will suppose the values of different variables and see whether they satisfy the equation or not. We will put the values of variable on left hand side, and if it is equal to right hand side, then definitely it is solution of the equation, otherwise not. Suppose 5p plus 2 equal to 17. We have to find the value of p. Let p equal to 1. So 5p means 5 multiply by 1, 5 plus 2, 7. And on right hand side we want 17. So p equal to 1 is not solution. When I supposed p equal to 2, I got 10 plus 2, 12. That is also not equal to right hand side. So p is not equal to 2. So when we supposed p equal to 3, 5 3s are 15 and 2 17. Yes, this is equal to right hand side. So our value of p is 3. Is it clear? So hit and trial in this way, by trial and error, we also call it hit and trial method, we can find the solution, we can find the values of different variables. So our next equation is 3m minus 14. Now just directly only I have done 3. Suppose I take 4, 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 14 is minus 2, not equal to 4. So I took m is equal to 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 14, 1. That is also not equal to right hand side. When I supposed m as 6, 3 6s are 18. And when I subtract 14 from it, I get 4. That is equal to right hand side. So when I supposed m is equal to 6, then the equation is satisfied. Therefore m is equal to 6 is solution. Is it clear? Now question number 4th is write equations. We have been given the statements and we have to write in equation form the sum. Sum means plus the sum of number x and 4 is means equal to 9. Means when we add x and 4 we get 9. So instead of statement we have written equation. Is it clear? 2 subtracted from y. From means y may say. Y minus 2 is means equal to 8. Now 10 times means product. So multiply 10 a. When we multiply 10 and a, we get 70. So 10, don't put multiplication sign, because whenever there is no sign between variable and constant, it automatically means that multiplication is there. 10a is equal to 70. The number b divided by 5. So b by 5 gives the answer 6. 3/4. 3/4 means 3 by 4. Of means multiply. T is equal to 15. Are you getting how I am doing? 7 times m. Times means multiply. 7m plus, you know the sign of plus. 7 gets means equal to 77. 1/4 of means multiply. X minus, so put the sign of minus. 4 gives means equal to 4. If you take away means subtract 6 from, so from ये कहाँ आएगा? आगे आएगा 6 times y. 6 times y means 6y. इसमें से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? 6. If you take away 6 or subtract 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. So you get here 60. Is it clear? If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1 थर्ड, ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, जेड और क्या ऐड करना है 3, यू गेट means equal to 30. So in this way, in place of these statements, we have to write equations. Now next is write equation in statement form. This case is opposite of what we have done in fourth. Now equations are given and we have to write statement. So p plus a4 is 15. You may write as this. 4 added to p like this. 4 added to p equals to means gives 15. Here I can write 7 subtracted from m or m minus, simple, m minus 7 is 3. 2m means 2 is multiplied by m, so I can write 2 times m gives 7. M divided by 5 gives 3. Is it clear? 3m means 3 multiplies m, so 3 times m divided by 5 gives 6. Okay, 3p plus 4 is 25. So 4 added to 3 times p gives 25, or you may write 3 times p plus 4 gives 25. Is it clear? 4p minus 2, I can write 4p minus 2, 4 times p minus 2, or you can write as 2 subtracted from, आगे वाला आएगा 4p, 2 subtracted from 4 times p gives 18. Same way, 2 added to half of p by 2 means half, or 1 by 2 you can write, of 2 added to half of p gives the result, or simply write gives 8. Is it clear? So here equations are given and we have written statements. Now question number 6. Set up equation in the following cases. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles. More means you have to plus. किसमें प्लस करना है? 5 times the marble Parmeet has, and Irfan has 37 marbles. In numbers he has got 37, and we can also write as 5 whatever marbles Parmeet has plus 7. So they have given, take m to be the number of Parmeet marbles. So let marbles with Parmeet equals to, they have given m. So Irfan has marbles with Irfan, they have already given 37, and if I write equation, they have given 5 times Parmeet has plus 7 is equal to 37. कि Parmeet के पास 5 times, Irfan के पास 5 times Parmeet plus 7 थे, and also in numbers he was having 37. So our equation will be 5m plus 7. Next is Lakshmi's father age is 49 years. They have given, and also he is 4 years older. Older means we will add to what we will add 3 times Lakshmi's age. So let Lakshmi's age equals to y. Father's age, what they have given, father's age is equal to 49, and also father age is 4 years older than 3 times 3y. 4 years older means plus 4 is father's age, and father's age is 49. So this is the equation, that is the final equation that we will get. Is it clear? Now the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class, highest marks कितने हैं, twice the lowest, जितने lowest है उसका 2 times plus 7, और highest marks numbers में कितने हैं और actual कितने हैं 87. So how we will do, let lowest marks equals to L. Now highest marks equals to 87, and also they have given that twice the lowest, so 2L plus 7 gives you the highest marks, कि 2 times lowest marks का करके 7 ऐड करें तो हमें highest marks मिल जाएंगे. 2L plus 7 gives the highest marks. Now again last part, in an isosceles triangle the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Now see with the figure, this is an isosceles triangle. You know, in isosceles triangle 2 sides are equal and the angle opposite to these will also be equal. ठीक है, अब ये एंगल हमने b डिग्री अगर ले लिया, they have given कि ये जो vertex angle है it will be 2 times, so 2b. ठीक है, अच्छा, now you know by angle sum property, let first see, let base angle equals to b. Now vertex angle क्या दिया हुआ है 2b. Now they have nothing is given to us, and by angle sum property, by angle sum property of triangle, what do you know, that sum of all angle equals to 180 degree. Now sum of all angle is 2b plus b plus b, so we add all the angles and automatically their sum will be equals to 180 degree. Now these are like terms, 2 3 4, so we get 4b is equal to 180 degree. So we have formed a equation. Is it clear? That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.